Hello friends, welcome to Intellective Tech. So in this video I will tell you about TCS NQT, that is National Qualifier Test. So registration for NQT has been started and registration closes on 17th of October 2020 and test dates will be 24th or 25th or 26th of October 2020, and this is absolutely free. You do not have to pay any amount for this test. Let's discuss about a NQT exam pattern, and after that I will tell you how to register yourself for the NQT through TCS Ion website. Okay, so let's talk about NQT. So there are three types of scores in it. The first one is NQT score, the second one is industry NQT score, and the third one is subject NQT score. So the first exam you will face NQT score and subject NQT score. In NQT score, you will face question based on verbal, numerical and reasoning ability. In industry NQT score, which is not yet started, it will measure your performance on industry specific skills required. Subject NQT score will measure your role specific skill, that is programming and other core knowledge. So this NQT exam you can write from home also, or you can write from any physical center. It's depend upon your choice which mode of exam you select during registration. 2-year validity of NQT score, and you can apply for any entry level role in any corporate with the NQT score. Who can apply? So a student who is in pre-final or final year of their UG or PG or diploma with any degree can apply, and freshers with less than 2 years of experience can apply. So this is NQT structure. So there will be 24 verbal ability questions and you have to solve that in 30 minutes, and there will be 30 reasoning questions and you have to solve that in 50 minutes, and there will be 26 numerical ability questions, so you have to solve that in 40 minutes. So total questions will be 80 and time will be 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. So the most important, what is the main advantage of this NQT? So you will be able to apply for other companies also. So through this test, TCS will definitely hire for Ninja and Digital Profile. Apart from all this, you will be able to apply for other companies also. So this is a step given. So the first step is registration, and the second one is select the mode of exam. Either you can select home or you can select any center, and then third step is take the test, and the fourth is get a benchmark score with a validity of 2 years, and the last one is that is access unlimited job openings. There is some frequently asked questions. Okay, so what is NQT? So the first test will be verbal ability, numerical and reasoning, and industry, that will check your industry specific knowledge. And in subject NQT, if you see the last line, so here it is saying in the October 2020 schedule, when you register for NQT you can also enroll for subject NQT programming. That means in this test there will be programming also. Okay, so if you are thinking there will be only verbal, numerical and reasoning, so it's not true, there will be programming also in this test. So there are some more frequently asked questions related to test. If you want to read, so you can read from here. Let's talk about how you can register yourself for this test. Okay, so I will paste the link in the description. Just click on that link so you will get this page. Okay, so here you can see that register now. So click on that button, that is register now. Okay, so something this will pop up will open, log into your account. So if you have already account on TCS Ion website, so you can directly enter your email ID and password and click on login. If you don't have any account, then click on create account button. So once you will click on create account button, so you will get this page. Okay, so register yourself as I am a learner. So fill your full name, email ID, then password, confirm your password, and after that fill your phone number. After entering your phone number, click on validate number. Okay, so you will receive a OTP of 4 digits. So here you will get 4 box to enter your OTP. Enter your OTP. Here you will get a button of validate, so click on that button. Your number will be verified, and here they are asking are you minor. So if you are minor, then click on that. If you are not minor, then let it be as it is, and then enter the 7 characters captcha and click on that box, and click on create account button. Once you will click on that create account button, so there will be a pop-up open. So you have to agree the privacy notice, privacy policy and terms of use. Okay, so first of all check this box and then click on privacy policy. Then also a box will be available, then check that box also, then click on terms of use. Okay, so also a box will be available, then click on that box also, and then click OK. So once you will move forward, then you have to fill your personal details, then educational qualification. Okay, so fill the details carefully. Okay, after filling personal and educational details, you have to fill your examination details. So it's depend upon you which mode of exam you select. you can select online or you can select in center. Okay, if you select in center, then you have to select state and place. If you select online, then click on that radio button, and here is that is you have to be operating system of Windows or Linux, and there should be a Chrome browser you have, and a net connectivity of 2 Mbps and a working webcam for online examination. And from here you can upload your photograph. So after uploading your photo, so they will ask about subject NQT test. So you have to select yes. If you select no, then you will not be eligible for TCS and other IT companies. So you have to select yes and mark this box, that is test will be programming test and duration will be 1 hour. And so in this test there will be 10 MCQs and you will get 15 minutes to solve that, and then there will be one programming question and you will get 15 minutes to solve that, and there will be second programming question and you will get 30 minutes to solve that question. Okay, so this is pattern of subject NQT test. And after that, fill the captcha and click on that box and click on submit. That's it, you will register yourself successfully. Okay, so that's all about this video. I hope you like it, and share this video with your friends also so that they can register also. Okay, in future I will post some preparation videos of national qualifier test, that is NQT. Okay, so stay tuned on this channel and subscribe my channel. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.